WFD-B series is the idea machine for medium and large format packaging and carrier bags, which offers a user-friendly touch control panel. It is the most advanced machine for the production of paper bags with inside or outside flat handles. It can form the paper bag in one process, from the paper roll, handle making, handle patching, side gluing, tube forming and cutting, bottom creasing and gluing, and forming to bags collection in the control of servo motors to ensure the high precision and stability, simple maintenance, and high efficiency.